Hello! In this video, I will show you how to upscale image quality in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to click on Image. Then, click on Image Size. Here, we will leave this in pixels. And this in pixels inch. This here, we leave it in preserve details. In resolution, we will go testing until we find the one that is more in agreement to the height and the width of our image. Normally, it is recommended to put it in 400. In reduce noise, we will raise it to 100%. Now right-click on the image, duplicate layer, click on Filter, Other, High Pass. Here, we will go testing in radius until the image looks like this. Only the contour lines are visible. Now we will click here and we will put it in overlay. And that's it. If you found the video useful, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.